Welcome to the 2002 version of Chicago Storm 2011. There's one pile of snow. And there's the alley. Drifts are not quite to the roof, but close. We are dug out a couple hours later. Mostly because of my neighbors. I've been at it since 6 in the morning. It's now 5 hours later. Here's Damon Ave. It's like the Wild West. Everybody walks down the middle of the street. Yes, that whistling is the wind. It's still blowing from the north. And now I'll take you around to the front. Non-stop. There's our sidewalk. Not quite sure if Corey got up the stairs or not yet. Oh, I'm walking in 2 feet of snow right now. There's east on Huron. Corey shoveled our stairs. But if you take a look at our neighbors, that's what ours looked like about an hour and a half ago. Here's Corey. Corey, give me a little perspective on the height of that snowdrift in front of our place there. But the CTA is still running. Get down. Oh, that was closer.